Hello guys, welcome to Neha's Dream Corner. Today I'm collaborating with her and gonna share a very useful and healthy recipe on how to make Greek yogurt at home. So without further ado, let's get started. To make Greek yogurt, we would mainly need curd, cheesecloth, few clips, and a strainer. Now we'll first spread the cheesecloth over the strainer. Instead of cheesecloth, you can also take any fresh, clean cloth which is thin so that it can strain all the excess water. We need to basically segregate the cream from the curd and strain all the water. Now we'll start pouring in the curd. Now let us hold the cloth from all the four corners, tighten it up, and we'll put a clip on it. You can also use a rubber band as an alternative to this clip. Just tighten it up. Basically we want to, as you know, squeeze in the excess water. So twist a bit as much as you can. And then you can put this whole setup in refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours and the hung curd would be ready. Now let us see the results after 4 to 5 hours. After a few hours, I have taken it out of the fridge now and see, our hung curd is ready. Look how creamy and thick it is. Looks yummy, and here's some more. Thick and creamy Greek yogurt. If you love watching our video, kindly hit like button and subscribe this channel. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos where we're gonna see how you can relish this hung curd in different ways. Alright then, eat healthy and stay fit. Thank you for watching our video and see you again in the next one. Bye bye.